Hi, I'm Jeremy Lazarus. I'm a master trainer of NLP. I've been training and coaching NLP since about 1999-2000. Prior to that, I had 18 years in the world of finance as an accountant and a corporate treasurer. And I think one of the most useful and valuable NLP techniques is perceptual positions. Most people who are NLP trained will use perceptual positions on a one-to-one basis, and it's really useful. And I think there's a lot of applications of perceptual positions with groups and teams. For example, you could be coaching someone who themselves, he or she, your client, will be working with groups or teams. Also, for you personally acting as either a coach, consultant, or trainer, you can use perceptual positions with groups and teams, for example, to help them to think creatively about problems, to help them to sell more into organizations. I've done this with sales teams. You could use this to help improve team building or team cohesion. And you could use this as a keynote speaker. So one way to use, if you're a keynote speaker, you can engage the whole audience with exercises using perceptual positions. So it's an incredibly valuable technique. Imagine being able to use this technique with groups and with teams ranging from small groups, maybe 5, 10 people, all the way to hundreds. Just imagine that.